Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, myself Parth Srivastava of class 12th from Gyandeep English School. I am here to aware you about the global pandemic situation all over the world. The coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic is the global health crisis and greatest challenge of our time. Since it emerged in Asia in 2019, so it is called as COVID-19. Coronavirus disease 2019 is defined as illness caused by a novel coronavirus called severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, formerly called 2019 nCoV, which was first identified amid an outbreak of respiratory causes in Wuhan city of China. The virus has spread to every continent except Antarctica. Every day people are losing jobs and income with no way of knowing when normality will return. We have now reached the tragic milestone of more than 2 million deaths, and human family is suffering under an almost intolerable burden of loss. The economic destruction that would cause worldwide may be greater than the damage caused by the World War II. The loss of lives will also be enormous. The war against COVID 19 must therefore be fought in that perspective. COVID 19 seems the deadliest enemy that mankind may have ever seen. It is not only invisible, its fury, reach, and damage are unpredictable. In particular, the low level of testing leading to inadequate diagnosis, treatment, conduct, tracking, and containment. Poor enforcement of preventive measures. We are able to respond to this crisis not to mitigate it but to suppress it. To suppress the disease, and we can only do it if we do it in coordinated way. If you do it with intense solidarity and cooperation, at last say, we are at war with a virus and not winning it. This war needs a wartime plan to fight it. So we can say that humanity needs leadership and solidarity to defeat the coronavirus. We are physically distant today. A part of all we must stand together.